Hey guys, this is Faizan Ruler and you're watching Big Dreamy. As you guys know that I have been traveling Philippines since 4 years and I have traveled many places. So today I bought a map and I'm gonna scratch out the places I have been already. So let's check out what is inside. It's cool. So with this coin, I'm gonna scratch out the places I have been, the things I have done, and the must-try things. So let's check out. Ooh. First of all, this Albay. I'm living in this place, I study in this place, so let's scratch this out first. So it's kind of blue. Oh, it's hard to scratch. Oh, it's easier with hands. Okay, so it's done. So next, the capital of Philippines, Manila, the city of dreams. I have been here many times, many times. Next, Cavite. I have done paragliding here. It was an amazing experience. So in this place, that place gonna be very special for me because my clerkship gonna start it here in January. Hopefully there will be face-to-face clerkship and I'm gonna work in BMC hospital. So that's a pretty good hospital. So now let's move on to the most exotic place, which is rated most exotic place all over the world. The best island, the best place of Philippines, the most expensive place of Philippines. That's Palawan, the most exotic place. So let's scratch it out. The view is amazing here. This place is also in Albay called Farm Play, where I'm making this video. So next up we have, I don't know, I've been anywhere else. These are the places, are famous places. I have been there already, but the one thing which is left in my list I want to travel, it's one is here, Bohol. I'll scratch it out when I'm already there. And the Cebu, it's a very nice place. There are many sports, so many things to explore. So let's move on to places to go this side. So here I have been already in Intramuros. Place was colonized by Spaniards. The roads, the buildings, everything there is built by colonials and still there and very much authentic and very much monumental. So it's a very nice place. So next I have been where? Mayon volcano. It's there somewhere there. You can see in that video. It's not very much visible, but that mountain is Mayon volcano. So we are already here. So scratch it out also. Let's scratch it out. Mayon volcano. My fingers are paining already because it's very hard to scratch. And it's still active. This volcano is still active. Sometimes it erupts, and whenever it erupts we get holidays. So it's not good, it's not safe when it erupts, but for students like me it's a good time when it erupts because we get holiday and the exam get postponed. So next up we have underground river. Yeah, I've been there, this place also. It's still, I think it's in Albay. The place was very good. There was an underground river, there was a waterfall. So there's a lot more places I haven't been yet. So if I have money, I'll go there. So let's move on to things to do in Philippines, what I have done already. So ride a jeep. Yes, always and all the time. Ride a jeep. Next, attend a local festival. Yes, I have done that. I have attended a fiesta. The Filipino culture is very generous. In this fiesta, Everyone cook food and just put it out as at the outlet in front of their house, and anyone will go and eat it in free. You don't need to pay anything. It's a very generous act, and Filipinos, they are known for their hospitality. They are very hospitable people. Next is visit historical churches. Yeah, I have been there. There's one more already there, one cathedral in Albay, but there's one more which I have been here, Intramuros. It was the first church built by Spaniards in Philippines. So still there, still strong. So I have been there. Swimming with whale shark. That was an awesome experience. So there was a huge shark, and you will just float over the water, and you're gonna just look it inside, and you're gonna see a beautiful shark. This adventure is there in Donsol or in Cebu also. So I did in Donsol because it's very near to my place. Surfing, okay, I have only clicked photo with surfboard, but I don't know how to do it, so I'm not gonna scratch it out. Diving and snorkeling, I had done that in Palawan every day continuously for 1 week. Island hopping, again I did it in Palawan. You go one island to another. So we were like going to 5 islands in 1 day in Palawan. Next is water sports. It's there in this place, Camarines Sur. CWC, Camarines Sur Water Sports Complex. There are many water sports. You're gonna love it. It's very awesome, and it's not dangerous, but you should have some strength in your legs and in your hands, so you can hold the rope and balance on the water. Hiking and trekking, oh my god, I have done many things in Philippines already. So hiking and trekking I have done here in this place, Banquet, Baguio. So the name of the mountain was, I think, Mount Ulap. Sing karaoke. Okay, everyone who ever came to Philippines have done that. Karaoke you can find everywhere. Bargain shopping, okay, every time. I'm not a tourist, I'm a medical student, so every time I bargain. Let's move on to must try. Adobo. It's a chicken dish. It's good in taste. They cook with soya sauce and chicken and salt and pepper. It tastes good. Sinagin, no. Lekan, no. Balut, I haven't tried, but people talk about it so much. It's an actually live egg. It's not a dead. There's a live inside the egg. I don't know people how they eat it, but it's very common snack, and people just crack it and eat it, and it's a live food. So I don't know. I cannot eat it. Street food, yeah. I tried. Very common. Sisig, yes, I tried. There's mang inasal. There's a chicken sisig. There's a fish sisig. I tried. I don't like it. No. Chicken inasal. See, I was talking about this chicken inasal. It's just very affordable chicken, and you can have unlimited rice in that. You can eat as many as rice you wanna eat. You can fill your stomach with the rice. So, as I can say, Filipinos are generous people. Next is pancit. Pancit, if I go to any trip or trekking, the only thing, pancit is like Maggi in India. So it's like that noodles. So I have all the time. Okay, halo, I tried that. It's a fruit and mixture of ice cream. It's not so good, to be honest, but people love it here. Buko is nothing else, it's just a coconut drink. So it's very good. So that's all for now. As you can see, I have things to do. I have done a lot. Tried things. Okay, places. Yeah, I've been some, not all, but I have been the main places like Palawan, Baguio, Manila. So all I can say, Philippines is a wonderful place to explore. You should come and visit Philippines. It's an awesome place, affordable place. You will see the highlights like Manila, and you can see a peaceful and underwater life in Palawan. So I would say visit Philippines. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you, McDream.